Over 50? It's not about trying to look younger. It's about embracing the power of timeless elegance. You have the experience, the confidence, and the beauty that only age can give. But there's one thing that can truly elevate your look: knowing how to look polished. What if I told you that with just a few adjustments to your style, you can radiate sophistication and elegance at any age? Keep watching to discover how to look polished over 50 and why it's easier than you think. Turning 50 doesn't mean you need to abandon your sense of style. In fact, it's the perfect time to refine it. Over the years, you've likely learned what works for you and what doesn't, and now it's time to perfect that. Polished style isn't about following the latest trends. It's about cultivating a look that reflects your confidence, maturity, and sophistication. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about looking polished over 50, from the perfect wardrobe essentials to the little details that will elevate your entire appearance. And if you're looking for more in-depth advice on timeless elegance and creating a wardrobe that works for you at every age, be sure to check out our ebooks, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style and the Ultimate Wardrobe Guide for Women Over 50. Both guides offer practical tips on refining your look, no matter where you are in your style journey. Fit is everything. When it comes to looking polished, your clothes should fit like they were made just for you. Too tight or too loose, and you'll instantly lose that refined vibe. But how do you find the perfect fit after 50? Clothes that are too tight often create an unflattering silhouette, while overly loose garments can hide your shape and create a bulky look. The key is balance. Clothes should skim your body, accentuating your natural shape without clinging or sagging. Tailor your clothes. Tailoring isn't just for formal wear. A simple alteration can make even the most basic items look custom-made. Choose fabrics that drape well, like silk, wool, or linen. These fabrics move with your body, giving you a graceful, elegant appearance. When you think of polished style, think of luxurious fabrics. After 50, it's the perfect time to invest in pieces that feel as good as they look. But it's not just about the price tag, it's about the material. High-quality fabrics age beautifully and stand the test of time, both in terms of appearance and durability. Cheap fabrics wrinkle easily and don't hold up over time, making you appear less polished. Fabrics to invest in include cashmere, which is soft, warm, and timelessly elegant; wool, perfect for tailoring and structured pieces; and silk, ideal for blouses, scarves, and dresses that flow with grace. To maximize your investment, opt for neutral shades and high-quality fabrics. These colors are versatile, easy to mix and match, and look more refined than bold, trendy hues. Fashion may come and go, but classic silhouettes never fail. As you enter your 50s, it's time to leave behind overly trendy pieces and embrace styles that will always look chic. Avoid super short skirts or overly fitted dresses that might feel too youthful, and steer clear of boxy jackets or loose silhouettes that lack structure. Instead, embrace timeless silhouettes like A-line dresses and skirts, which are flattering and give you a well-balanced silhouette. Tailored blazers with a nipped-in waist add structure and poise, and wide-leg trousers elongate the legs and give off an effortlessly chic vibe. Accessories can make or break your outfit. Too many, and you risk looking cluttered; too few, and you might seem underdressed. The secret to looking polished is knowing exactly how to accessorize. What to avoid: overly large or gaudy jewelry, bags that are too small or impractical, excessive accessories like layers of chunky necklaces or bracelets. What to wear instead: simple, elegant jewelry like pearls, diamond studs, or delicate gold chains. A classic leather handbag. Choose a structured design in a neutral color. Scarves and belts that add a pop of color or texture without overwhelming your outfit. For more tips on creating a polished, elegant wardrobe, be sure to check out our ebooks, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style and the Ultimate Wardrobe Guide for Women Over 50. It's packed with ideas for refining your look no matter your age. Looking polished is not just about the clothes you wear, it's also about how well groomed you are. This is where the real magic happens. Grooming is a form of self-care, and it shows. Grooming tips for a polished look. Regular haircuts and trims. A fresh haircut can do wonders for your overall appearance. Well-maintained nails. Keep your nails clean, trimmed, and if you wear polish, choose neutral or classic colors like red or nude. Skincare. At 50, your skin deserves extra care. Use moisturizers and serums to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of a good skincare routine. It's one of the easiest ways to enhance your natural beauty and look radiant every day. Bright, bold colors can be fun, but as you age, you may want to gravitate toward more neutral tones that bring out your natural beauty, rather than overshadowing it. Why neutral colors work. They're timeless and versatile. They allow you to mix and match effortlessly, creating polished, cohesive outfits. They highlight your accessories and allow your overall look to shine without being overpowering. Colors to embrace. Black, white, beige, navy, and soft pastels are elegant choices that never go out of style. Experiment with small pops of color through accessories or a single statement piece like a bright scarf or pair of shoes. Polished women over 50 often have a signature look. This doesn't mean wearing the same thing every day, but it means having a personal style that is instantly recognizable. Creating your signature look. Identify what makes you feel confident and comfortable. It could be a particular color, a style of dress, or a favorite accessory. Stick to what works for you. Don't feel pressured to try everything that's popular. Refine your look to reflect your personality. As you age, it's not about having a closet full of clothes. It's about having a curated collection of high-quality, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create endless outfits. How to curate your wardrobe. Choose timeless essentials that you can wear in multiple ways. Invest in well-made items that will last for years rather than cheap, trendy pieces that wear out quickly. Our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, is your go-to resource for building a wardrobe that is functional, timeless, and polished. It's packed with recommendations for versatile, high-quality pieces. Finally, the most important part of looking polished is confidence. No matter what you wear, if you don't walk with confidence, you won't radiate elegance. How to exude confidence. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your chin up. Own your look and embrace your age with pride. Smile. A smile adds an unmatched layer of grace to any outfit. Pro tip: confidence isn't just a trait, it's a mindset. The more you embrace your age, the more you will exude confidence in every step you take. Looking polished over 50 is about more than just the clothes you wear. It's about your attitude, your confidence, and your ability to embrace your unique style. Now that you have the tools to refine your wardrobe, it's time to step out into the world with poise and elegance. Want more style tips and advice? Be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our ebooks for in-depth guides on timeless elegance and creating a wardrobe that suits you perfectly. Thanks for watching, and here's to your most polished and elegant self. Are you ready to rediscover your confidence and elevate your wardrobe to a whole new level of elegance? The ultimate wardrobe guide for women over 50 is here to transform the way you dress and feel. Why this ebook is a must-have. It will help simplify your style, celebrate you, and give you many outfit inspirations. It's not just fashion, it's empowerment. Don't wait to feel fabulous every day. The link to purchase is in the description. Grab your copy now and start living your most stylish life today.